Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see how we can install Worksuite modules on Worksuite application. We will also see various errors that we get along the installation. So let's get started. So this is the Worksuite non-SaaS application and we will log in as an admin. Let's log in and then we will go to the settings and from settings we'll search for modules, click on module settings and then from here we'll go to custom modules. And at the top you can see install and update module button. Click on that and now click on upload. So before uploading, let me change the file, show you the files. So here you can see I have two files, Code Canyon asset module for Worksuite SaaS and another is for Worksuite non-SaaS. This one is for non-SaaS. So let me extract it and show you some errors. So this is, I have extracted the Worksuite non-SaaS module and let me compress it back to zip and let's upload this zip file and see if we are getting any error or not. Let me upload this one. So the file is uploaded and let's click on install. So you can see we have an error that zip that you are trying to install is not compatible with Worksuite version. So we do not have to install this zip file. We have to install the one that we downloaded directly from the Code Canyon, means that this zip file. So let me upload this file and click install. So as you can see the application work asset module is installed here and after installing we will simply click the activate button. So the asset module is now installed for Worksuite non-SaaS CRM. Let's jump back to the install and update module and try uploading the asset module of Worksuite SaaS on the non-SaaS and see what we get. So this is the asset module for Worksuite SaaS CRM. Let's upload it and this one is the file. Let's click install. So as you can see we are clearly getting the error that you are installing the wrong module for this product, means this Worksuite asset module for Worksuite SaaS CRM is not for the Worksuite non-SaaS. So remember, when you are installing any module, the module should be of that particular version, means that particular product. If you are using Worksuite, then the modules should be of Worksuite, and if you are using Worksuite SaaS, then the modules should be of Worksuite SaaS. If you still have any queries, please write down and our team will respond to that. Thank you.